Hey, I am Raghunath Krishna and you're watching Elephany, where we draw and color 50 stylized elephants. In this video, we are going to draw Infiniphant. Infiniphant can decorate your wall, tea mug, t-shirt, picture frame, fabric design, and literally anywhere you want. To draw Infiniphant, place 3 horizontal lines as you see it in the video, and then the vertical lines that will give you the number of elephants. Now start doing the drawing. First do the vertical stroke with a curve. That will be the first elephant's trunk, and then a horizontal line which will be the top line for all the elephants. The second trunk, the third trunk. Draw an edge which will make the legs of the first elephant. Do the same for the rest. Put a circle each for the eyes and an arc for the ears. That's all. We have drawn Infiniphant. You can color Infiniphant with the color of your choice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.